Hey there, loan officers. It's Scott Groves, head coach of Consolidated Coaching here with HomeIQ, reminding you before we jump into the coaching that HomeIQ solves 3 problems, helps you keep in touch with your previous client, gives you a monthly call list of who to call and keep in touch with, and gives you a value add service to call your realtors with. On to our coaching. Now, as we navigate through the tabs of HomeIQ, your most powerful tab, and I would recommend to either turn on the email notifications for activities or make sure that logging into HomeIQ is part of your daily process. And we want to navigate over here on the homeowners tab to activities. Under activities, you're going to see everybody who has interacted with the HomeIQ valuation reports that you send out or the corresponding portal, or have clicked some questions and want more information from you. So for example, John Lua, when the email went out to him explaining to him what his property is worth, he clicked the button, how accurate is my home value, right? Julian Agner, somebody I've spoke to in the last 2 days, wanted to know, hey, how can I tap into the equity in my house, right? You will see here some people had their report deactivated. That happens from time to time when we either get bounce backs or people unsubscribe monthly. But you'll see as you scroll down here, there is dozens just in the last couple months of people who wanted to interact and get more information about their home. So what this does is this gives you an opportunity. Let's use Julian Agner, for example. I can call her and say, hey, I saw you were poking around the HomeIQ report that I send out every month. You had some questions about a home equity line of credit. Do we need to talk about that, right? Do we need to get you started with a second mortgage? Do we need to look at a home equity loan? Do we need to look at a cash out refinance depending on how much equity you wanted to take out? Are you kicking the tires on maybe selling or buying? Where is that money going? Are you buying an investment property? Are you buying a second home, right? And then as soon as I get off the phone with them, I can call Julianne Agner's realtor and say, hey, Kenya, just want to let you know that your client's kind of poking their head around, wanted to know what their house was worth, is thinking about maybe consolidating some debt, has an inheritance coming in a year or so and wants to buy some investment property. Just gives you a really warm reach out to connect with the client, connect with the realtor who originally gave you that referral, and then ask for referrals from both the client and the realtor since you're already connecting with them. This is how you use the activity screen to start to build out your monthly call list of past clients who are most likely to do another deal with you or are looking for finance or real estate related questions to be answered by you, the mortgage professional.